Hey guys, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials. Today I'll show you how to export only audio in a WAV or an MP3 format from your video. I will import my media. We have our music, so to do that, go to File and go to Render As. If you want to export MP3 audio, just click here MP3 and choose the quality. If you want to export as a WAV file, Microsoft, click over here, WAV. And now choose over here this second options because it's a standard. You can play with this, more hertz means more quality and so on, but sometimes you get some strange results, so I will keep this over here until you have some specific requirements or something like that. Okay, now just click browse and choose the music folder, for example, and I will add this as music 1, and it will automatically change name, or you can add a name over here. And now just click render and it's done. I will click open folder. Okay, it's open on my second window. We can see music 1, and this is it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.